Hey groomers, it's Tyler. Got a KM10 here, and she didn't know the lever needs to be replaced. As you can see, it's very chewed up, easy to tell. There's dents in it. So she's not getting the full cutting pattern on the blades. So make sure you guys are changing this out. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how to do it. There are 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. You need a T10 like star bit to get them out. I'm gonna pause it, come back when I get them out. Okay, got all the screws out. Next thing is you wanna make sure you have your Wahl blade lever. Let's get that ready to go. And see, just looks like a little wishbone. See how the edges are really square? I'll put a comparison. Don't worry about that yet. And then you want some gear lube to put on your new lever. So I got the screws out. We're just going to open this up here. Whoa. This is why we need to do clipper maintenance. Look at all this fur. That's on the switch. That's what makes your clipper go on and off. So next thing I'm going to do is take off the old lever. Just comes right out. Sometimes you need to wiggle it around a little bit. This was actually probably the easiest one that ever came out for me. So we're gonna, oh, I lied. Let's do the side-by-side comparison real quick. So can you guys tell which is the new one? See how much more square this is than this? So, depends how many dogs you guys groom a day, but I would say 3-4 times a year, if you have these clippers, get them professionally serviced, change out these levers, at least 3 or 4 times a year. So I'm going to pause, clean all this out, and show you how to put it back in. As you can see, everything's very clean now, no hair in it. All I did was wipe it down and use an air compressor to blow it all out. And then for like up in here, I just used a towel and kind of scrubbed all the dander and everything out of there. So it's ready to be put back together. So grab your lever, your grease. You can buy this grease from any supply shop. It's cheap, it'll last you forever. And I'm just going to put a dot in the hole where the pivot is, and then a little bit on each inside of the wishbone area there. So what that's doing is it's going to lubricate the bearing and this where it actually rides on. So every point of contact, it will be lubricated. Easiest way is push this bearing straight down and then just put it on. And that's it. It's installed. So we're going to put the cap back, the top housing back on. Make sure it's all lined up. All these like little foam pieces are in there. When you blow out, make sure nothing's going anywhere. There are little pieces in here that you can blow across the room and never see again. The other thing is the baler always falls out, and I tend to forget to put it back in, and then I have to take the clipper apart again. So make sure your baler is in there. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's all lined up. Before I screw it all back together, I like to plug it in and make sure it runs. Yep, I didn't do anything worse. Running real smooth. So I'm gonna take it apart, or take the outlet out and screw it all back together. So that's it. Very simple maintenance that you guys could do yourself, save you a bunch of money, and then that way you know your clippers. The more you know, the better you are. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you out. Have a good day. Bye.